Afternoon guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we've done something slightly different because we, as you know, work mainly on Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda and other German vehicles. So on this particular installation we have done a factory style reversing camera installation on this 2021 Ford Kuga. Now, most of the other ones that we've done recently have been the Ford Puma and other models, but this is the Ford Kuga, Kuga, and the chaps have taken apart the boot lid. Ordinarily, we would fit a grab bar replacement camera, but this particular model doesn't have one. Most of the stuff that you can find online is a replacement number plate like one. It looks really naff. So what we've gone for is one of our discreet aftermarket wedge cameras that's made of metal, and it's really small footprint as well, and it means that we can then fit the camera, yes, slightly offside, so off central, but you'll see that in a minute when we have a quick look, because in the middle of the number plate light area there's a big section, and we can't drill through that because there's a circuit board in there for the number plate lights. So we've gone off to one side, chosen the passenger side. Camera's been fitted, routed all the way through to the front of the vehicle, and then connected to the main AV input for this particular car, which is actually quite confusing because these models do vary. Hopefully during the video you'll see how involved and in depth this particular install has been. And then of course we've then coded the vehicle. Code the vehicle in the right module for the reversing camera so that you've got that factory style camera effect, and when you put the vehicle into reverse you then get the image up on the display. So join me in the front and I'll show you it all working. Right, sat inside the cabin, those of you who are familiar with Fords, this is the sync unit. There are a couple of different variants of this. This is the Sync 3. You've got 5 icons along the bottom, and if you go into settings in general and then scroll down to about sync, this will tell you what you're running. So as you can see, we're running the Sync 3 system. Now the Sync 3 is the navigation system. It's a nice bit of kit, to be honest, but this vehicle didn't come with a reversing camera, which is now what we fitted with camera and interface and activation using software. So if we just put the car into reverse, this is a hybrid, this vehicle, so there's no engine starting, there's no diesel noise, but we are in reverse gear now, and we've got the factory overlay of the parking sensors on the top right hand corner, and then we've got the nice clean image of what's behind us. Now, as I said earlier, the reversing camera is fitted slightly off center, so it's never going to be in the middle of the vehicle because it's impossible, but it's a nice clean image all the same. And also you don't get any guidelines. There are guidelines that come with most aftermarket cameras on the market, but of course in this vehicle they will be off center. But if you've got a vehicle like this, which is a Ford with the Sync unit 2.5 or the Sync 3, then please do get in touch with us, because we can fit a lovely aftermarket but factory style reversing camera that simply, when you put the vehicle into reverse, will immediately switch over and give you that display of what's behind you, giving you peace of mind and confidence when reversing. So 2021 Ford Kuga now gets factory style reversing camera on this Sync 3 unit. Website links in the bio. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and thank you for watching.